aboard the news track, the Centre versus Twitter showdown reached the Delhi High Court today. The social media giant was pulled up by the court for not complying with the country's new IT rules. The court made it absolutely clear it will not grant any protection to the micro-blogging site. Nalini Sharma with the details.
Multiple FIRs in the Ghaziabad assault case. Back-to-back summons to top officials. Under fire for wrongly depicting India's map. At loggerheads with the government over the new IT rules. There is no end to Twitter's woes. And on Tuesday, it received a fresh blow from the court. The Delhi High Court pulled up the microblogging site while hearing a plea on Twitter's non-compliance of the new IT rules. The High Court questioned the delay in appointment of grievance officer and refused to grant any protection to Twitter. It also said that Centre was free to take any action against the social media platform for defying the law. HC granted a day's time to Twitter, asking it to be ready with answers on its compliance.
Today, the Delhi High Court wrapped Twitter, calling upon them to give answers as to how long it's going to take them to comply with all of the provisions mentioned under the new IT rules. A single judge bench of Justice Rekha Palli stated that Twitter cannot be given an indefinite time to comply with the laws of the land, and that the central government was free to take any and every action against Twitter as per the laws, considering that no protection had been granted to Twitter.
The strongly worded observations came after Twitter admitted to not complying with new IT norms, which makes appointment of a grievance officer mandatory. The centre, which earlier disclosed an end to Twitter's immunity over breach of law, said that the tech giant is willfully ignoring legal requirements.
जो ट्विटर है वो अपने आप को भारतीय संविधान और कानून और सरकार से सर्वोपरि ना समझे। एक प्राइवेट कंपनी है जो यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बनाने आई है और उसकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है, जैसे वो किसी अन्य देश में जाके बिजनेस करेगी, उनकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि देश का कानून तो मानना पड़ेगा। आइए यहाँ बिजनेस कीजिए, लेकिन देश के कानून के हिसाब से कीजिए। जैसे आपको अमेरिका का मानना पड़ेगा जहाँ की आप कंपनी है, वैसे ही आपको इस देश का मानना पड़ेगा।
The Delhi High Court observation came after a plea by advocate Amit Acharya, who has accused Twitter of defying Indian law. Will Twitter, which briefly locked IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad's handle amid face-off with the government, finally blink? With Nalini Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report.